Hello guys, this is Kartaj and this is my 2008 Skoda Superb first gen, and today I want to change my rear emblem on the car. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at this old emblem and how oxidized and rusted it is, especially the aluminium underneath the painting. So let's change this old one for a brand new OEM one. And this old lady is my daily driver. It has over 350,000 kilometers on it, and even though it isn't a special thing of beauty, for example here I've got a pretty big rust spot, even though I want to change my old emblem for a new one because I have one laying around, and why not change it? So I flipped my car around for better lighting, and this is how oxidized my rear emblem is. Let's have a look, guys. And now let's have a look at this new OEM. Let's have a look at this new OEM emblem, and by looking at this emblem we can plan strategy for removing the old one. So if we flip our new emblem to the other side, we can see that there are no stats, no nothing, just double-sided tape, so we can cut the old emblem out and clean the glue and replace with the new one. So let's get for it. So you've maybe seen some how-to-dos for changing the rear emblem, and I've seen many people that are trying to pry old emblem out, and I'm not doing that because I have no studs in this emblem, so I can just cut this emblem with some silicone, with some string for fishing. Yeah, right, so let's get to it. So I just took some string, silicone string, and we want to get this string underneath the badge, and then just like this, and then just like do your sewing motion and sew the badge out. Yeah, and you should be careful not to break your string, just as I did now, little by little sew your badge out from your trunk. So I broke my string, so I take another one. Is it possible to break your string because this badge has some sharp edges? We are nearly done. Oh, I broke my string again. So and I will just I'm trying to pry this badge out, or maybe I will be able, yes, I will be able just to undo it like this. Okay, perfect. And as you can see, this badge has never been changed because there we have OEM double-sided tape, and because we haven't used our metal screwdriver, we did not scratch the surface. And now it's just peeling the old double-sided tape out. Ow! It was my nail. I flipped my nail. Oh shit. Guys, you have to be careful. Slowly. I'm peeling. I feel just like if I were removing wrap foil. As you can see here, the type adhere in this area, and because there was some dirt around, but there is so large area of this double-sided tape, so it didn't matter anyway. Yeah, and this last bit will be definitely tricky. Let me get some APC to clean this dirt, and then I will use some plastic scraping or plastic razor blade to get rid of this remaining double-sided tape. So I've got some APC, spray down, some rag or microfiber, and clean the surroundings just like that. Oh, the sun is shining. Oh yeah. So let me get some plastic scraper. So here I have some soft plastic scraper, and I will just peel the remaining glue off, hopefully. So we've got our double-sided tape more or less peeled. So now let's do some tar removal or glue removal. Spray it down liberally and let it sit for a second. It's dripping. Let's wipe over the excess and just to try to remove the remaining double-sided tape or glue. We can definitely spray some on our rack, our microfiber cloth, and remove some. Now let's degrease this area, because our tar and glue removal is somehow greasy. We want to degrease this with rubbing alcohol or ethanol, and if you don't have those, you can use some alcohol-based window cleaner. So I will just spray this on our surface and wipe it with clean-ish cloth, like that. So let it dry, and when it's dry we can stick our new badge. So we've got it dry to the touch. Now we can remove the sticker and place the badge. And when you think it's perfect, you can close your eyes and just jump for it. And press. So guys, I think that we did a really great job and it looks decent. What do you think? Let me know down in comments if you think that I should replace this OEM badge with the updated one, which looks like this. It's a black one. And let me know, I want to know your opinion for this. So guys, this is our final product. Let's have a look. And this is after and this is before. Check out the difference. What do you see? So today I made my old daily driver lady Skoda Superb, let's say a little bit nicer. So tell me in comments what do you think about this change, and if you do something like this to your own car. So have a nice day, bye bye.